Welcome back to Jiuvmyerstudiovlog. Today I will show you how I made this personalized resin keychain. Yesterday I received an order for a new client. She wants me to make this keychain using her wedding flower. Aside from keychain, she wants me to make earrings and flower preservation display too. And here's some of her flower that she wants me to preserve. So let's start pouring the clear resin into molder. I'm using this plastic spoon to control the amount of resin. After pouring the resin, I will add this flower that she sent to me. I cutted this petal into small pieces. I added this gold flakes filler to give an elegant look. I add this one red petal of hydrangea to break the color. Once done, just apply a small amount of clear resin. spread the flowers and other fillers to balance the design. I use this lighter to pop the micro bubbles. You can also use heat gun. Once done, just set aside first and let it cure for 12 hours. Our project is fully cured and ready to demold. After demolding, let's proceed to the next step. This keychain is a personalized. The client wants me to put the name of her friend. Let's do it. After sticking the name, let's seal the top of the keychain by doing a damming or top coat using clear resin. After doing a top coat, use the lighter to remove the micro bubbles. And again, we need to leave this for 12 hours until fully cured. And here's the final look. I hope you like my creation. So that's all for today, and see you on my next craft videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and support. Goodbye everyone. For more video, just click this.